Finance practice exercises number 10. You deposit $1,000 each year. Again, this implies a regular deposit, not just a one-time deposit, into an account earning 8% compounded annually. That's once a year. How much will you have in the account in 10 years? So since you're making a regular deposit, that's going to be the annuity formula. Okay, so we want to figure out how much you will have later. So A equals 1,000 times, parentheses, 1 plus, and that 8% would be 800ths divided by 1, so we can just put the 800ths there. Raised to, and our n is 1, our t is 10, so raised to the 10th power, and then minus 1. And all of that would be over that 800ths divided by 1, again, which is 800ths. Putting that into our calculator will give us $14,486.56. All right, so that's how much you will have with how much you put in and interest included. So on B, they would like to know how much total money will you put in the account. So you deposited $10,000 every year for 10 years. So that will be $10,000. Okay, so that's just how much money you're putting into the account. C asks how much total interest will you earn. So remember, this is how much you put in plus interest. This is just how much you put in. So clearly, to get how much is interest, this is not the place for principal equals interest equals principal times rate times time. It's not a simple interest situation. So we're going to take the 14,486 minus 10,000. And we get the 4,486.